The distance of two planets from the Sun are 10 raised to 13 and 10 raised to 12 meter respectively. Ratio of time period of planet is. So we know that square of time period is directly proportional to r cube, or you can write t is directly proportional to r raised to 3 by 2. So you can write the value of t1 divided by t2 is equal to r1 divided by r2 raised to 3 divided by 2. So the distance of two planets from the Sun are, one is r1 we can take it as 10 raised to 13 and r2 we can take it as 10 raised to 12 raised to 3 by 2. So we can write this as nothing but 10 raised to 3 divided by 2, and so we can write this t1 by t2 is equal to 10 raised to, this 10 raised to 3 by 2 can be written as nothing but root of 10, because 10 raised to 1 by 2 is root 10 raised to 3. So we can write as root 10 into root 10 into root 10, which is nothing but 10 root